First-time offenders, don't give up hope. There are plenty of programs that the district attorneys offer that a good attorney will make sure to sign you up for, such as the 1996 Conditional Discharge and Expungement Program if you're a first-time offender with drugs. Also, if you've gotten in trouble with a larceny or a careless and reckless driving or anything pretty much but a DWI, you can get into many times a first-time offender program. That requires what? Well, it requires potentially an alcohol or drug assessment and compliance with any treatment. There might be a community service requirement or something that I've been doing here for quite a while. It saves you $250, and that is volunteer work. I many times get my clients set up for volunteer work versus community service. Means that you find a place and do it on your own and get me proof of that I present to the court, instead of going through community service where you have to pay $250 and do what they demand that you do, as opposed to maybe a favorite charity or somewhere you would like to volunteer. In addition to community service, in addition to drug or alcohol assessments and compliance, there are also things like traffic schools. If it's domestic violence, it can be a domestic violence offender program. There are all sorts of things, sometimes anger management. I can go through a psychological evaluation and requirement to be in compliance with medication, any number of things. So don't give up hope. Get a good attorney. I am always available for you to text or call me. The information is there in the show notes. Always happy to help. If I can't help you, I'll try to send you in the direction of a good attorney who can help you in your local area. I practice just here in New Hanover County when it comes to state court. Federal court's a little different. I do go other places. But when you need help, there's almost always help available. I find over and over again that people get in trouble and they just panic. Sometimes for days, sometimes for weeks. And if they would just reach out to me, I can almost always calm you down. It's not nearly as bad as you typically think it is. So ask for help, reach out. Don't just sit there and worry yourself sick. And please don't do any harm to yourself. I promise you, there is help that can be delivered. You just have to ask for it. God bless.